Alright, today we're working on a 1999 Volvo S70. Another item from the past. So basically what we're going to do is the customer sent the door lock. We're going to end up making the key to the door lock, figure out what the cuts off from scratch. Once we finish making the keys, we're going to go ahead and program the chip data into the module. And then after this point, it'll be just plug and play. We're basically going to take some keys like this, blank keys, stick chips in them, and then write the chips to the anti-theft unit, and that's it. Or immobilizer, whatever you want to call it. But I'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut. Alright, this puppy's done. Basically, we got the two keys cut already. Here you go. Key number one. It's nice spring action. Key number two. They do have chips in them, and they are programmed to the immobilizer box. Let's try to read one of them. There you go, key one. Let's read the data for the second one. Key two. That's it. So at this point, this customer, once they receive this, plug this box back up. They can put the door lock in whenever they want, and the car will start right up. It should turn the ignition as long as the ignition ain't never been changed, and as long as the door lock and the ignition is still the same key. And that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, and that's it. Or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.